So this is the EcoNour. I have the delights of some dampness in the bathroom, so I am just about to put this on, get rid of all the kind of current dampness with the shower being in here, and then I can start to look and repair any of the issues. So in terms of this, how does it work? Well, it comes in literally two parts. You've got the actual unit itself, and then you've got the tube. So the tube is an excess overflow thing. So you've got your water container right here. So you literally just pull it out from here. There we go, and then you can empty that into the sink, toilet, whatever it might be. Oh, fuck. So this is the humidifier in action. What this is showing right now is the percentage of humidity, so 53%. So usually, typically a room will be about 30 to 50% is comfortable. The higher it goes, the more humid it'll be. This is a bathroom, so it will be a bit more humid. In terms of the settings, you've got child lock. You can set the speed of the fan. So you've got basically normal and fast. You've got a timer if you want to set a timer, so you press this once and then you press up with the set and then press and hold it when you want to set the time. I just tend to leave it on automatic, and you've got two options in automatic. You've got the one which is just taking the moisture out the air, or if you want to dry clothes with it, you can change it to the close icon. And then literally you've got the power off icon. So that's literally all there is to it. So you hear it working. It's not too noisy at all. It's a bit like an air conditioning unit actually. And essentially what it will do is it's got an app. So you'll be able to basically set it up to Alexa or Google if you want to then say enable or turn on the dehumidifier if that's something you want to do. I don't use the app, I just use it as it is, just for simplicity. And it will also alert you, so it will set an alarm to say that the water tank is now full, to empty it, or you can put the tube in as well so that it doesn't overflow. I've got ours currently going into the toilet just as a contingency, but it will shut down once it hits the full mark as well. So I'm definitely impressed. So I'm absolutely thrilled with this so far. It's been on for maybe an hour or so, so it's not had enough time to really draw a lot of moisture out. It's quiet enough I can leave this running on overnight. It's energy efficient as well, and if I really want to, I connect it up to my phone and I don't even need to touch the thing if that's really something that you prefer. Overall, I think it's absolute value for money.